Welcome to Visp. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential parts of the Visp web application. Let's get started. Let's begin our tour by exploring the left sidebar navigation. Click on the Visp logo to expand or minimize the left sidebar. Your dashboard is your central hub for widgets, charts, and quick access to data. You can click on subscribers to view and manage your subscribers list, your prospects, paid up, due, suspended, hibernated, etc. Customize the subscriber table by choosing which columns to display. Next up, let's look into the service desk. Your service desk contains the Kanban, which helps you visualize your tickets in a board view. The calendar, which allows you to see scheduled tickets on a calendar. The ticket list shows you the default view, showing a detailed list of tickets. You can filter and sort tickets by assignee, priority, status, and more. Now let's move on to managing your resources with the IRM. The IRM, or the Infrastructure Resource Management, allows you to manage your inventory, equipment, and locations, and create purchase orders for new equipment. Important: set up your inventory and infrastructure profiles first. Watch the linked videos for guidance. Let's take a look at the powerful map feature. View and manage your service coverage area, and pre-qualify subscribers based on location. Use custom filters to analyze subscriber data. And speaking of insights, let's talk about reports. This feature allows you to access a variety of billing and operational reports. You can contact the client success team for advanced reporting needs. And if you're managing multiple brands, this feature is for you. Multi-brand, for ISPs with multiple child accounts. You can manage them all in one place. Now let's explore the options available in the top right corner. Use the plus sign to quickly add prospects or subscribers, tickets, payments, or send messages. The notification bell shows you notifications and comments, allowing you to stay on top of important updates. Print House. You can download or send invoices to the Print House, simplifying your billing process. The 9-dot menu or app launcher. This is where the magic happens. Let's take a closer look. For essential configurations, go to My Visp in the General tab. Primary contact. This is your public-facing contact information. Billing contact. Here you can enter billing information that appears on invoices. As for payments, manage your payment method and balance threshold to Visp. Account history. View your past invoices and statements from Visp. ISP info. Enter your FCC registration number if applicable. My Profile. Edit your profile information and picture. Configure your time zone. And this is crucial. Set your correct time zone here. Let's move on to some essential configurations for onboarding to ensure everything runs smoothly. Go to your CRM section and mail delivery. If using the Visp mail server, set up your SPF record to avoid email delivery issues, ensuring your messages and customer invoices reach their destination. Go to CRM and message templates. Here you can create templates for mass emails, SMS messages, and customer portal notifications. saving time and maintaining consistency. Set up automated triggered emails to keep customers informed without lifting a finger. Finally, let's set up your customer portals. Go to CRM Portals. Account Manager, the link for your customers to manage their accounts, providing them with self-service options. Online Sign-up. Here you'll find a link for new customers to sign up for service, making it easy for them to join your network. Consider white labeling these links to match your brand. Reach out to your Visp client success team for assistance. That covers the starting topics of navigating Visp and getting your basic settings configured. In our next videos, we will cover crucial billing configuration and payment settings. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth Visp guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and reach out to your Visp client success team for any assistance.